My name is Randy Lehman. I'm the owner of Hickory Hill Camping Resort. I've owned it since April of 1979. We wanted to make sure that family was focused, and that really was the priority, that we wanted it to be a special place for people to create memories, a place to look forward to, come back to year after year.
So my father, Randy, built a great legacy here at Hickory Hill, purchasing the park in 1979, and I wanted to try my hardest and do everything in our power that we can to continue his legacy, because Hickory Hill has been a magical place for over 40 years.
And that's been a really cool thing to witness too, is people come here in groups. They don't get to see each other that often, and this is their time at Hickory Hill to really get to enjoy those family moments, and it's really special that we get to be a part of that for people.
My first time coming to Hickory Hill was probably almost 30 years ago. I think we keep coming back to Hickory Hill because it feels like home for us. It is our home. It feels like real summer when we come here. I think it gets better every time we come back.
This is my place. Everybody else goes to Florida, North Carolina, you know, Paris, wherever. I come to Hickory Hill. The joke when I worked was that the earth stopped at Bath before.